Nicole is gonna share with us today her experience. Some person may have heard it from our IG live last week, but she's gonna be sharing her experience and also how she tracks her personal finances and masters them. So Nicole, I like your rich bitch necklace. Show
Girl,
them,
I
show
was
them.
just gonna say, listen, I was just gonna say, I pulled out the rich bitch necklace for you tonight, Keisha, and for your audience.
See, everybody see it. Nicole is no joke. She not play, right? Rich bitch necklace in gold, right? All right, money up. So, okay, Nicole, share with us all about your
Yes.
background and everything.
Yes, man. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. I see everybody in the chat saying hello, big up yourself. Thank you so much for having me, Keisha. Love to talk to my Jamaican people because I usually am talking to the Americans and all of that. So when I get a chance to, chat with the people, then I just love it. Love, love, love it. So I would say that I love what Keisha was saying earlier because she was speaking my language when it comes to you have to have your money together. You have to be on top of it. I control money. Money doesn't control me. And listen, you don't have to wait until you're making a lot of money because I know a lot of people are like, I don't have enough money to create a budget. I don't have enough money to do this and to do that. But you'll be so surprised how you can find these little ways because sometimes something comes up. The car might come up. Somebody mentioned that they have the money taking up the house. You found the money, right? So how about intentionally finding the money to invest? A, a 200 US a month, 100, a 50, something, it adds up.